Strong winds have been causing problems in parts of Sioux Falls this morning. Police say the wind blew a tree onto some power lines in the 2300 block of East Rice Street, shutting down traffic in the eastbound lane. City crews and the power company have been called in to remove the tree and repair the lines. Also this morning, Sioux Falls Fire Rescue responded to power lines down in the 1200 block of South Holly Avenue. The call came in just before 4:30 this morning. Fire Rescue says the line sparked a very small fire that was quickly put out.